Hi, I'm Nithya. In this video, I'll walk you through how we're using high-precision RTK positioning with the Pixhawk 6C and the Hoybro X500 drone development kit. Here's the drone we've configured for this demo. We're using the Pixhawk 6C flight controller, 2 telemetry radios for communication, a u-blox F9P RTK GPS module, and a 4-cell 5000 mAh battery. This isn't included in the dev kit, but it's a solid option for stable flight times. One telemetry radio is connected to the Pixhawk, and the other is plugged into my Windows 11 PC. Let's go over the software setup. We'll be using RGPilot Mission Planner, allowing us to stream RTK correction data through an integrated NTRIP client. No additional software needed. You'll need to install RGPilot Mission Planner. The link is in the video description. After you've connected your drone, navigate to the Setup tab at the top and find the Optional Hardware section. Under Optional Hardware, select RTK GPS Inject. You should see a green Connect button. Ensure that the drop-down next to this button is set to NTRIP and the Set NTRIP GGA checkbox is selected. Click Connect and see the URL prompt. Enter your GEODNET RTK account details in URL form as requested by Mission Planner. Click OK. With the strong Wi-Fi signal, it should take less than 1 minute to get RTK fix. Confirm RTK fix in the Data tab at the top of the Mission Planner window. When you're connected to RTK, you should see RTK fix. This guarantees centimeter precise accuracy. If you see RTK float, then centimeter precise accuracy is possible but not guaranteed. You can also visually check the GPS module. The RTK light should be blinking. Now, we will use Mission Planner to write a simple takeoff and land mission and test RTK. We will run this with and without RTK and observe the difference in landing accuracy. You'll see the RTK-enabled drone lands more precisely, confirming the value of RTK in real-world conditions. This demo shows how GEODNET RTK corrections dramatically improve drone positioning, responsiveness, and landing accuracy, all using open-source tools and accessible hardware. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
GEODNET. Mind the sky.